Hi everyone. In this example, I want to show you how you can find out repeat customers. So we have the data for the previous month in column B and for the current month in column C. And we want to know who are the customers who have purchased in both the months. For example, Aaron is a repeat customer since Aaron is purchased in both the months. Justin is not a repeat customer. Justin is a lost customer since Justin has not purchased in the current month. And similarly, there are certain names in the current month. For example, we have Ben, where we see that Ben has not purchased in the previous month. So Ben is a new customer. So first we want to write the formula and then we would like to build it into a lambda so that it becomes a reusable function. So let us start with doing an X lookup where I'm searching for the entire column B. The result is in column C and the return array is also column C. Now this will give you an error, and the reason is that you can't just do this for the entire column at the same time. Let me do it one more time, but this time we will do it in the very first cell, and you notice that it is working. We are getting the results, and what this tells us is that Aaron has purchased in the current month, hence we see the name. Similarly, Aaron is again appearing. Anthony, Magdalene, Vicky and Peter are appearing because they have purchased in the current month as well. From this, we would like to remove all the errors that are coming. So we will say equal to is error and we select G1 hash and that gives us trues and false. But we want to reverse the result. So we want to write not I1 hash and that reverses the result. Once we have done this, we can now apply a filter to G1 hash and the inclusion is as per K1 hash. So what that means is only the customers who have purchased in the previous month and the current month will be shown. Let's combine all of this now. So we can do equal to filter X lookup, and in filter and X lookup we want to select column B and column C. But because we want to write it in a lambda, I'm going to put lambda. Then we have first column and then we have second column. We want to filter the X lookup value, which would be first column, comma, second column, comma, second column. And the inclusion criteria here would be not is error, X lookup, and once again we'll write first column, second column, and then finally second column. Now the lambda obviously doesn't work like this. Let's see if it works when we put it in the name manager. So copy the entire thing, go to formulas and name manager, new, I want to call this repeat underscore customers and we will paste the lambda here. And now we can simply write equal to repeat customers, we select column B, column C, and it gives us a list of all the repeat customers. Now the reason Aaron is coming multiple times is because Aaron has multiple transactions in the previous month. So just to make a small modification to this, we also want to sort the data, and we also want to find only the unique values. Let's go back to our name manager. Let's paste it here. And now you can see it is giving us a sorted list of all the unique customers that are repeat, which means they have purchased in the previous month and the current month.